Welcome to Apps4Org. This video shows how to add and manage exhibitors. Select the Exhibitor menu on the left side of the page. This page shows the list of exhibiting companies. Select the menu on an exhibiting company to find options to edit, delete, and manage the exhibiting company. Click on Representatives in the menu to view the representatives assigned to the exhibiting company. To add a new exhibitor, select the menu on the right side of the exhibitor page and click Add New. Enter the company name, website, address, booth number, description and logo in the company information section. Enter the contact name, title, phone, email, and social links in the contact information section. In the content section, you have the option to provide a video by direct upload and by a YouTube or Vimeo link. You can upload the company ad in the Images section. You can upload company brochures and flyers as documents, preferably PDFs. Click Save. Here are the information for company logo, ads, and document type. Thank you for watching the video.